Welcome back to our Venture Life. Today, we're taking a full tour of the 2026 Winnebago Revel 44E, built on the updated Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. This all-wheel drive adventure van comes paired with a high-output twin-turbo diesel engine and an automatic transmission. Finished in stone gray with the overland interior, this refreshed model introduces several smart updates while keeping the rugged design that Revel owners love. Let's start from the front and work our way all around this impressive camper van. At the front, the biggest update is the repositioned safety camera, now located at the bottom center of the windshield. Below that, you'll find the front-facing 360-degree camera and the adaptive cruise control sensor integrated into the grille. The refreshed bumper features sharper styling lines, while the parking sensors continue providing audible and visual assistance. Halogen fog lights remain in place, completing the familiar but refined front design. Moving over to the passenger side, the Revel measures just under 20 feet long and stands about 10 feet tall. It features a powered patio awning with an integrated LED light strip, a porch light, a 13,500 BTU roof air conditioner, and a 210-watt solar panel. Overall, the side profile remains very similar to the previous model, maintaining its clean, adventure-ready appearance. Down below, this model now rides on upgraded KO3 all-terrain tires wrapped around 17-inch wheels. The suspension continues using the dependable factory Mercedes setup, providing a balanced ride both on highways and rougher terrain. Around the rear, you'll notice the heavy-duty welded ladder, LED marker lights, roof rack fairing, and bright LED taillights. A 5,000-pound tow hitch sits below, along with sewer hose storage and the spare tire mounted underneath. Fresh water, gray water, and the cassette toilet capacities remain practical for extended travel while preserving the compact footprint. One of the most impressive upgrades is the enhanced 360-degree camera system. Combined with the digital rearview mirror, drivers now enjoy clearer camera views, multiple viewing angles, trailer alignment assistance, and a smooth orbit view displayed on the updated infotainment screen. Stepping into the driver cabin, you'll find manually adjustable seats with power lumbar support, refreshed dashboard trim featuring wood look and carbon fiber accents, and an updated leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. The large windshield provides excellent visibility, while the redesigned digital instrument cluster delivers cleaner graphics and an even more modern driving experience. The 10.25-inch infotainment display now offers faster controls and improved camera functions. Drivers can instantly switch between front, side, rear, narrow, trailer, and full surround views directly through the touchscreen, making parking and maneuvering much easier. Opening the rear cargo doors reveals a flexible storage area, with doors that open to both 90 and 180 degrees for easy loading. Inside, you'll find battery components, inverter equipment, power outlets, cargo lighting, solar connections, the outdoor shower, water connections, and climate system components, all neatly organized for adventure travel. Entering through the side sliding door, you'll notice the relocated grab handle for easier access, overhead storage, LED lighting, adjustable jump seats, a fold-down outdoor table, power outlets, and convenient control panels for lighting, water, and battery systems. The living area remains functional and comfortable with swivel seating, flexible table space, and thoughtful storage throughout, creating a welcoming place to relax after a day outdoors. The kitchen continues with a modern stainless steel sink, stylish faucet, 3 cubic foot refrigerator with freezer, induction cooktop, expandable bamboo countertop, soft close drawers, USB charging ports, and additional storage designed for everyday cooking. Inside the wet bathroom, you'll find a handheld shower, hot and cold controls, a bamboo drying rack, storage shelf, privacy screen, and a rotating cassette toilet that maximizes the compact space. At the rear, the bedroom features a comfortable sleeping area with overhead charging ports, device storage, and a cozy layout that makes excellent use of the available space. That wraps up our complete look at the 2026 Winnebago Revel 44E. Thanks for joining our Venture Life on this full walkthrough. If you enjoyed this tour, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more detailed RV reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.